Hi, welcome to this lesson. So in this lesson, we are going to be looking at the match method. So the match method is basically, as I told you, there are two methods, test and match, and in this lesson, it's going to be match. So the match method will output the matched string in an array. Okay, in an array where each of the match is separated by commas. So that's how it's going to be. Okay, so that's what the match method is going to do. So let's string is going to be, this is a simple, sorry about that, JavaScript string, and our rex is going to be, sorry about that, JavaScript, right? So in here, in document.write, I'm going to create the match method. So the match method has a different kind of output. So it's exactly opposite to the test method. So if you remember the test method, it is the regular expression dot test, and in the brackets there is the string, right? So that is the test method. But for the match method, this is how it's going to be. It's going to be the string. So you're going to give the string first, and then you're going to say match, and within the parentheses you're going to give the regular expression. Okay, so that's how the match method works. Okay, so you don't have to worry about all these syntaxes. I've given you the notes, and you can just use that for reference and things like that, so don't worry about that. Just understand this. Okay, so right now, as you can see, we have to first give the string in here. So what is the variable for the string? It's string. Okay, so first of all, we're going to tell our browser, look at this string, and I want you to match the string with the given regular expression, which is rex in our case. That is the variable for the regular expression for us. So we're going to match this regular expression with this string, and we're going to get all the output. Okay, we're going to get that output, and we are going to want it to print that in our browser. So if we refresh, before we refresh, we got our JavaScript. So there is JavaScript in here. So that's why we are getting a match. What if there is a no match? What if, as things stand right now, there is no match? If you use the test method, you're going to get a false. But what if you use the match method, where the essence of that method is actually getting the string, getting the match? How would that work? There you go. So you're getting a null in here. Do you see that? So if there is no match and you're using the match method to see if there's a match, you're going to get a null. Okay. So also, let me, I want to show this in the console as well, because I want to, right now, since it's just displayed as JavaScript or null in here, you don't really see the actual way it's stored inside your browser, right? So I want to show you how it's actually stored inside the browser. So let's do a console.log of check and see where it's stored. Okay. So let's go to our console. And there you go. Do you see that? There's an array. So it's stored as an array. And if I open this array, I'm gonna get the 0th position has JavaScript and everything. Okay. The input is, this is a simple JavaScript string and everything like that. So every single, so since JavaScript is only specified once in here, and since we haven't used the global flag in here, it's only going to get the first instant of that particular match. And so it's always only going to have one array item in here. But if we use the global flag, and if there were multiple matches, then this is going to be different. We are going to have more than one match. Okay, so I can show you that later on, but I just want to show this in the console. So see, it's stored as an array. All right, so that's it for this particular lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.